Trying to find the best car vacuum cleaner that actually gets the job done? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best car vacuum cleaners you can buy right now. I'll break down suction power, portability, attachments, and real-world usability so you can pick the right one to keep your car clean without the hassle. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Black + Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Handheld Vacuum Cordless, Compact Home and Car Vacuum with Crevice Tool, Rotating Nozzle and Charging Station, Large Dust Bowl, CHV 1410L. If you're looking at the Black + Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean, you're probably trying to solve a very specific problem: quick, everyday messes without dragging out a full-size vacuum. In the US market, this is one of the most recognizable handheld vacuums, and it's best known for being a reliable, grab-and-go cleaning tool that's been around in American homes for years. In real-world US use, this is the vacuum people keep in a kitchen corner, laundry room, or garage shelf. It's used for cleaning crumbs off countertops, pet hair from couches, dirt in car interiors, or quick messes kids leave behind. This is not your main vacuum, it's your "I need to clean this right now in 30 seconds" solution. One of its biggest strengths is simplicity and convenience. It's cordless, lightweight, and easy to grab without thinking. The rotating nozzle and built-in crevice tool are actually very useful in real homes. You can reach between couch cushions, clean tight car spaces, or get into corners without switching attachments. The suction is solid for its category. The 16V lithium-ion battery and cyclonic action help maintain consistent suction for small debris like crumbs, dust, and light pet hair. For everyday messes, it performs exactly how most US buyers expect. Number 2. Car Vacuum Cordless, 35,000 PA Strong Suction Handheld Vacuum with 2 detachable batteries, 60-minute runtime portable vacuum cleaner for car detailing, pet hair, home couch and office, 350 milliliters XL dust cup. If you're looking at this 35,000 PA cordless handheld vacuum, you're clearly prioritizing one thing: power. In the US market, these newer high-suction handheld vacuums are becoming popular because they promise stronger performance and longer runtime compared to older models like the traditional dustbuster. In real-world American use, this type of vacuum is commonly used for car detailing, pet hair cleanup, garage use, and even light home cleaning. Think cleaning sand out of your car after a beach trip, vacuuming pet hair from seats, or detailing your car interior on weekends. It's also useful for people who don't want to bring a full-size vacuum outside. The biggest strength here is suction power. Compared to older handheld vacuums, these high PA models are designed to pull out more stubborn debris, pet hair, dirt embedded in seats, crumbs in carpets, and even heavier particles. For US buyers who want something closer to a mini shop vac experience, this is a big upgrade. Another major advantage is battery life. With dual detachable batteries and up to 60 minutes of runtime, this is built for longer cleaning sessions. That's a huge difference compared to basic handheld vacuums that die after a few minutes. For car detailing or larger cleanup tasks, this matters a lot. The larger dust cup is also practical. You don't have to stop and empty it as often, which makes cleaning smoother. But here's the trade-off. These high-power handheld vacuums are often bulkier and heavier. They don't feel as lightweight or effortless as simpler models. Also, with lesser-known brands, consistency and long-term durability can be hit or miss compared to established brands in the US. Another thing to consider is noise. Stronger suction usually means louder operation, which might not be ideal in quieter indoor environments. Number 3. Black + Decker Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum, Portable Vacuum for Car and Home. Rechargeable, Powerful Suction, Wide Mouth, HHVI 315J042. If you're looking at the Black + Decker HHVI 315J042, you're basically considering one of the most common everyday cleanup vacuums in American homes. In the US market, this model is best known for being a simple, affordable, and reliable handheld vacuum that focuses on convenience over power. In real-world US use, this is the vacuum people keep on a kitchen counter, in a laundry room, or mounted on a wall in the garage. It's used for things like cleaning up cereal spills, pet kibble, dirt tracked in from shoes, or quick car cleanups. The wide mouth design is actually a big deal in real life. It makes it easy to scoop up larger debris like crumbs or snacks without pushing them around first. One of the biggest strengths here is ease of use. It's lightweight, cordless, and always ready to go. You don't think about it, you just grab it and clean. The crevice tool and brush attachment are also useful for tight spots like couch cushions or car interiors. Suction is solid for everyday debris. It handles dust, crumbs, and light dirt well, and many tests show it performs surprisingly well for basic cleaning tasks. But let's be clear, it struggles with deeper cleaning. Pet hair embedded in fabric or dirt stuck in carpets will take more effort or may not fully come out. Battery life is another limitation. You're getting around 10 to 15 minutes of runtime, which is enough for quick cleanups but not for extended sessions. Also, emptying the dustbin can get messy since it requires pulling out the filter manually. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? US buyers who want a simple, reliable handheld vacuum for quick messes around the house or car. Number 4. KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, 4-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner 16,000 pascals Air Duster, 3-speed adjustable 120W high-power vacuum cleaner with LED light and multi-nozzles for car, home, office, pet. If you're considering the KMM 4-in-1 handheld vacuum, you're clearly looking for versatility. In the US market, these multifunction handheld vacuums are best known for combining vacuuming, air blowing, and multiple attachments into one compact device, making them popular for car detailing and tech cleaning. In real-world US use, this is the type of vacuum people use for more specific tasks. Think cleaning car interiors, blowing dust out of keyboards, clearing debris from tight spaces, or cleaning pet hair off furniture. The air duster feature is especially useful for electronics and hard-to-reach areas where suction alone isn't enough. The biggest strength here is versatility. You're not just vacuuming, you're also blowing out dust and using multiple attachments for different surfaces. That makes it more flexible than traditional handheld vacuums. The adjustable speed settings also give you control depending on what you're cleaning. Another advantage is suction power. Build quality and long-term durability may not match well-known brands in the US. Also, because it's doing multiple things, it's not always the best at any single one. For example, it may not match a dedicated high-end vacuum in suction or a dedicated air blower in power. Noise is another factor. Strong suction and blowing functions tend to be louder, which might not be ideal indoors. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? US buyers who want a multi-purpose cleaning tool for cars, electronics, and small spaces. Number 5. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum, Portable Car Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable, Wall Mount, Strong Suction Quick Clean, HNVC 215B10. If you're looking at the Black Plus Decker Quick Clean model, you're going even more basic than the previous Dustbuster. In the US market, this type of vacuum is best known as an ultra-simple, lightweight option for very quick cleanups. In real-world American homes, this is often used for the smallest tasks, crumbs on the kitchen counter, dust on shelves, or quick car touch-ups. It's especially common in small apartments, dorm rooms, or as a secondary vacuum kept in a convenient spot. The biggest strength here is simplicity. It's lightweight, easy to use, and often comes with a wall mount so it's always ready. You don't deal with complicated settings or attachments, it's straightforward. Another advantage is size. It's smaller and easier to store than most handheld vacuums, which is ideal for tight living spaces in US apartments. But here's the honest downside, it's not very powerful. Compared to larger or newer handheld vacuums, suction is limited. It works for crumbs and dust, but struggles with pet hair, thicker debris, or anything embedded in fabric. Battery life is also short, and because it's a more basic model, you don't get advanced features or strong performance. Backhand index pointing right. Who should buy this? US buyers who want the simplest possible handheld vacuum for very light, quick cleanups. Backhand index pointing right. Who should skip it? Anyone needing real suction power, longer runtime, or versatility. Bottom line, this is a minimal, no-frills vacuum. It's convenient and easy, but only for the lightest cleaning tasks. Those are my picks for the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners. Some are better for quick cleanups, while others are built for deeper cleaning and pet hair. It really comes down to how often you clean and what kind of mess you're dealing with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.